Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we're going to be sharpening up this knife. It's got a little bit of an edge to it. It's kind of dull. Alright, what we've got here is the WorkSharp. I love this thing. If you use a leather strop and all you have to do is just try to put like an edge back on it, this is a 6,000 grit belt. This is an 1800. This 1800 is coarse and abrasive. This one right here is going to put the slickum up on it. Let's slick them up. Let's show you right here. We're going to just do the 6,000 first. What you want to do is put it on there, bump it. This right here is how you adjust your belt back and forth. And this is the one that you use for kitchen knives. All you want to do is just stick it in there like that and pull it through. It's going to need more than just this 6,000. The reason why I say that is because it's got a lot of flat edges on it. When we bought this house, let's see here. Yeah. When we moved and we bought this house, we put my knives in with a box, and I can't find that box. So the place where I get my meat from, they were nice enough to give me this knife and a fillet knife. There's a couple of their old beat up knives that they don't use, so we're just going to put this in here like that. Well, I'm going to zoom this in so you can see. Alright, that should be good. I'll show you this again. So you put your belt on, you hit your button down here, and this right here is how you adjust your belt. Right to left. Put this on here. Going to go through about probably 3 times should do it. There's a place right here, you just lay your knife up against it. Let's take this off. Still got a flat spot right there. Let's do it one more time. Now, I'll tell you something about this WorkSharp. I love it. I love it. I love it. I asked my wife for one of these for Christmas quite a few years ago, and I love this thing. I used to set up at flea markets. I'd sharpen people's knives for them, and most of the time all you'd have to do is use this 6,000 right here and just put the slickum up on it. If you know anything about polishing, a 6,000 is going to really put a mirror polish on something. Even an 1800 is going to smooth something up a whole lot. So we're pretty good right here. This is pretty good so far, but look at that. See that? But we're fixing to make it like a razor. Oh yeah. This thing keeps it at the right angle. There's no way really to goof up. And like if you're using the big 3-stone hone, you know, if you don't know what you're doing, you could really mess up a knife blade. And this right here is going to keep you from doing that. There's an art to sharpening knives, and you gotta know how to do it. A good meat guy, a good meat market guy, he can just get over on that 3 hone stone with oil in it and really put a good edge on a knife. Oh my gosh, that's wow. Look, yeah. Shaving it one more time. If you don't have one of these and you want to sharpen knives and keep them really sharp, I advise you to get one. You're going to love it. I love this thing. I use it all the time. I even use it to sharpen my lawnmower blades with. My hatchets. There's different coarse belts that you can get, like a 220. Take that 220 without this on here, and you flip this around like that, and you can just put an edge on that hatchet or on that lawnmower blade. And then if you really wanted to, like I do, my lawnmower blades has got like a razor sharp blade when I'm done with it, because I come back with a 6000. I work my way up to the 6000 on my lawnmower blade and really put a sharp edge on that lawnmower blade. This son of a gun right here is stupid sharp right now. Anyways, we're fixing to get to cutting some meat and running it through the slicer. Y'all stay tuned for that video if you want to watch it. I want to tell y'all thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching. There's links in the video description to pick up this. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.